Alright, this is a flash stencil. What it does is you point it toward the camera and you put your flash inside that little hole in there and then flash the flash, and it will actually make a light design on your picture with whatever stencil you printed out. This particular design was made out of 5 pieces of cardboard that was 12 inches by 12 inches in area. I spray painted it black, and then I took black duct tape and then just taped all the pieces together. Black is the best color to use because it isn't reflective. The specific instructions on how to make this design are in the ebook, so check that out if you want to make it. But basically, you take 5 pieces of cardboard and you cut 4 of them into triangles, and then you put them around the remaining 1 piece of cardboard, and you tape it all up, make a pyramid, cut out 2 openings, one on the bottom of the pyramid, one on the top, and then you have your design. Now this design actually has flaps, so what you see here is me taking out the design, so you can interchange different design. This particular stencil that I'm pulling out right now was actually printed out on 2 pieces of paper. You always want to print out 2 out, and then you're just going to stack them on top of each other and tape them up. Then when you're all done, you can just slide it in and out of the design. You can also make handmade classic stencils where you draw a picture on a piece of cardboard and then cut out the cardboard. Then you can slide that in there if you wanted to. I find that when you're cutting the hole for your stencil, using thin cereal box cardboard works the best. And then when you're done cutting out your design, you're just going to want to take a piece of tracing paper and place that over the stencil hole. The power of the flash that you need to use is, it doesn't need to be strong at all. Usually I use about 1/32 power, or no more than 1/8 usually. So here's a photo of me with that Photo Extremist design. I just flashed it several times around my body, and then I took the flash out of the stencil and then just flashed myself. You can actually see the flash in my left hand there. Alright, here's another example. I really like the printer method because you can print out colors and you can also overlap different shades of color onto each other to create different transparent overlaps. So that is pretty quick and easy with the printer method. Now with this picture, I just illuminated the pot using that portable fluorescent lamp, and for the background I just photographed it on top of a black sheet, and then I made the black sheet even darker in Photoshop to completely isolate it.